Welcome to Vention Tips. Today we'll be walking through the shortcut and command features in Vention's Machine Builder. In this tutorial, you'll learn a series of shortcuts for part placement, part selection, grouping, and view options. To add a part to a design, click the part in the Parts menu and click again to drop it in the 3D workspace. A quick way to reinsert a previously added part is by hitting the I key on your keyboard. This is useful when you are repeatedly using the same part in a design sequence. To undo a previous action, simply hit Ctrl-Z on your keyboard or click the Undo button on the top menu. To redo an action, hit Ctrl-Shift-Z on your keyboard or click the Redo button in the top menu. There are three approaches to select a group of parts. First, you can hold the Control key and click the individual parts you wish to select. The selected parts will turn green as you go. To unselect, simply click elsewhere in the workspace. You may also choose to click and drag from right to left, which selects all the parts that the selection box touches. Finally, you can click and drag from left to right, which will only select the parts that are within the selection box. To group parts, select the parts you wish to group by using one of the part selection options. Once you're happy with your selection, click the group icon in the top menu, or use the keyboard shortcut command Ctrl-G. The new group of parts will now move and rotate together. You can see and organize your part groups by clicking the design tree icon in the top menu. Left-click the pencil icon to rename your group, and click elsewhere to confirm the action. If you'd like to ungroup a part or a number of parts, select the grouping, then click the icon in the top menu, or use the keyboard shortcut command Ctrl-U. The Group Ungroup feature is useful when copying and pasting a group of parts. However, if you prefer, you may simply use one of the quick selection tools and use Ctrl-C to copy the highlighted parts and Ctrl-V to paste them. The position of your mouse pointer before pasting will determine the drop point of the part or group of parts. Note that when pasting multiple parts, all existing connections are maintained. Other useful shortcuts include view and rotation features. Use the R key to quickly recenter the view of your design in your workspace, and use the F key to quickly fit the view of your design to your screen. The hide function is useful if you'd like to edit pieces located at the center of your design. By selecting the parts you'd wish to hide and hitting Ctrl-H on your keyboard, or by right-clicking on your mouse, you can easily edit any hard-to-reach section of your design. To unhide parts, simply hit Ctrl-Shift-H on your keyboard. The isolate function allows you to focus on a specific portion of your design. Hitting Ctrl-J on your keyboard makes precision work easier for designers. To view your entire design, simply reuse the unhide function by hitting Ctrl-Shift-H on your keyboard. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!